Very happy morning to you, my dear students. Today we are going to do subject general knowledge for standard 5. The topic is lesson 36. It's about aircraft. Aircraft of past, present and future. So let's watch the video. So do watch the video carefully. This is about the aircraft of present, past and future.
Aircrafts, past, present and future. Wright Brothers Aircraft. First successful airplane took its first flight on 17th December 1903 near Kitty Hawk, North Carolina, USA. It stayed in the air for 12 seconds and covered a distance of 100.
So as you see, this was the first aircraft by Wright brothers. How long did it last in air? Just 12 seconds. And what distance it covered? Just 120 feet. But it did make history because it was the first aircraft.
120 feet. This historic aircraft is displayed at the National Air and Space Museum in Washington, D.C., USA. Airbus A380. It is the world's largest commercial.
So now what you see is Airbus A380. Okay, and what is special about this aircraft? It is world's largest commercial airliner. World's largest commercial. So passengers, more number of passengers are able to be taken from one place to another. Around more than 500 passengers can travel at one go. It has double-decker seat arrangements. So do watch it carefully.
Commercial airliner in service today. It is a double-decker plane having enough space to carry 525 passengers. It flies at 43,000 feet with a speed of 1,030 kilometers per hour. It is a low-noise aircraft and uses lightweight environment.
So one more speciality of this aircraft is it's not just world's largest commercial aircraft, it is also having low noise. So noise pollution also is taken care of, and it is made of lightweight environmental friendly equipments. Okay, so that is one added plus point about this aircraft.
Friendly equipment. It gives lower emissions than any other aircraft. Solar Impulse 2. The aircraft powered by solar energy that...
So as the name itself suggests, Solar Impulse 2, solar. So it is using solar energy, sun's energy. Okay, and as you know, solar energy is very clean and it is a safe energy. Okay.
That took off on 9th March 2015 from Abu Dhabi, UAE. After travelling around the world, it returned to Abu Dhabi, covering a distance of more than 40,000 kilometers. It has been predicted that by the year 2050, the dominant source of energy.
So, sun's energy is all time there. Okay, it is inexhaustible, it is always available for you. So, it's a dominant source of energy and that is being used to fly this aircraft. It's a solar energy, solar powered aircraft.
Energy will be clean and non-polluting solar energy. Aerologo. It is a personalized flying car that provides door-to-door transport.
So what is the specialty of this Aeromobile? So this is like a flying car because it can go door to door. It just doesn't fly in the sky, but also it can be used on the road. Okay, and that is why it can reach door to door. It is like aeroplane cum car. It can be used to fly in the air as well as it can be used as transport on the road. Aeromobile.
Both by road and air. As an aircraft, besides the airport, it can take off and land anywhere on grass, and concrete roads with a distance of just a few hundred meters. It has a maximum speed of 160 kilometers per hour on road and 200 kilometers per hour in air. St. Petersburg Tampa Airport Line.
So note this name, St. Petersburg Tamba Airport Line. Okay, so this is flying between, it is a first commercial aircraft. The speciality is सबसे पहला passenger वाला aircraft, the first commercial aircraft, and it flew between two cities. Which are those two cities? St. Petersburg and Tamba. Okay.
This is the world's first commercial airline service that operated between two cities, St. Petersburg and Tampa of Florida, USA. This 34-kilometer flight took 23 minutes, which otherwise took 20 hours by car and 12 hours by train. It is the world's largest commercial airlines in service today. It is a double-decker plane having enough space to carry boom aircraft. This will be the fastest.
Now, as the name itself suggests, boom aircraft. So the name itself suggests that it is the fastest airplane. Okay.
Passenger airplane ever to be operational from 2017 onwards with a speed of 2,335 kilometers per hour. It will fly at a height of 16,000 feet, where passengers will be able to see.
So one more specialty about this is it can fly at a height of 60,000 feet, and at that height the passengers are able to see the curvature of the earth. Earth का जो shape है वो हमको दिखाई देता है वो उस height से. Okay.
The curvature of the earth. Spaceline. This hypersonic passenger plane will be a reality in 2030.
So this is the aircraft of the future जो आने वाला है. Which year it can become reality in 2030. Okay, now we are in 2021. So after many more years, in 2030, hypersonic passenger plane is likely to happen. And what is the speciality? Its speed.
It could
Okay.
carry 100 passengers and travel between London and Sydney, Australia, in just 90 minutes at a speed 20 times.
So as you see, it will be so fast that it will be able to cover the distance in 90 minutes. Right now, when it takes 22 hours to cover the distance, the same distance can be covered with this in just 90 minutes. So it is going to be so fast that it will be 20 times more speed than the sound. Okay, so that is why it is called hypersonic.
The speed of sound. It takes nearly 22 hours now. It will be powered by liquid hydrogen and oxygen.
So that's about the aircraft of the past, the first one by Wright brothers, the present, and hypersonic, which is of the future. Now let's do the quiz time. Ready, children?
Start.
So you can do it in your textbook.
Take the correct answers. This aircraft will be used by Qatar Airways from February 2017 onwards between Doha, Qatar and Auckland, New Zealand.
Okay, so the answer is Boeing 777-200 LK. Mark the answer.
Name the first electric powered aircraft developed by NASA.
So this is the first electric powered aircraft, X-57 Maxwell. So that's all, children, about the aircraft of past, present and future. I hope you will complete the exercise. Happy learning. God bless you all.